Mr. Chairman, Mr. Velez-Green, the President of the United States has created a list of designated terrorist organizations, which he has ordered the Department of Defense to conduct lethal operations against. In fact, the operations are inherently lethal. Part of the logic of how they can do it is that they're destroying ships from a distance, not even coming close into contact. What's the statutory authority for the designated terrorist organization?
Senator, with respect to the legal basis or other legal considerations related to ongoing operations, I would have to defer to the lawyers in the Office of General Counsel, who I know are leading on this issue and working it aggressively.
So you are prepared to encourage or allow fatal attacks, lethal attacks against individuals with no real concern or review of the legal basis for it?
Mr. Ranking Member, that's certainly not my position. My position is very clearly that on matters like this and other matters that would come before the policy organization, if I am confirmed, and including in my current capacity, I am extremely diligent and focused on ensuring that the Office of General Counsel is appropriately engaged in all of these matters to ensure that any options that are elevated are lawful in addition to other considerations.
So what has the Office of General Counsel told you is the statutory basis for these operations?
Senator, again, just with respect to the legal basis, I'm going to defer to them in order to provide an accurate and appropriate response.
You cannot provide a statutory legal basis for this action?
Senator, I simply don't want to speak for the Office of General Counsel on this very important matter.
You are in the policy department of the Department of Defense. And policy embraces not just moving troops on the map, but also what's legal, what's not legal, what we can do. Don't you think you have an obligation, if you believe there is a failure to follow the laws, to at least examine that and be prepared to respond to questions like this?
Mr. Ranking Member, I have no reason to believe that the President or the Secretary are directing us to do anything unlawful. With that said, in the context that you're describing or any other, part of policy's role is candidly, sir, as a we serve to ensure that the relevant stakeholders are part of the process and the way they need to be to bring their respective expertises to bear, whether we're talking about military matters in the Joint Staff Combatant Commands, acquisition issues in A&S, in this case, legal issues in the Office of General Counsel, who is ultimately the office best positioned to provide the answers that you and I believe others seek.
Have you raised this
Mr.
question?
Ranking Member, maybe Mr. Velez-Green could reflect on your question and see on the record if he could respond or not.
Mr. Chairman, that's excellent advice.
Yeah.